Hi all. Today's topic is all about house rent, tax declaration and tax proof submission in Accenture. So guys, already have made a video on steps to do tax declaration and tax proof submission in Accenture. So you can go and watch that video. But the main intention of today's video is to tell you about rent receipts, okay? How to declare your rent receipts and submit it, because most of the Instagram comments and messages I'm getting regarding this rent thing only. So I just want to make video regarding that. So before that, there are some important deadlines are going to be there, okay, that I'm going to discuss in this video first of all. So this will be common for everyone, like not only for the rent, okay, it is for every section. The first thing is nothing but by this 17th December 2022, they are gonna they are going to close this tax proof submission tab, okay? So you are only having 17th of December 2022, guys. Please do tax proof submissions as soon as possible, okay? And one more thing, if you are failing to do tax proof submissions by this December 17th, right, then there will be no chance for you to upload your proofs again, okay? So this year will be end. So if any case you are failing to do tax proof submissions, then you have to pay that amount, because you are declared but you are not able to provide the proofs for it, right? So they will deduct that amount from your salary. So it's better to gather all the proofs and try to submit by 17th of this month, okay, that is December. And coming to the second deadline, like not it's not like a deadline, they are implementing a new thing, that is nothing but as soon as you do the tax proof submission, right? So once you have submitted your proofs, then immediately, okay, simultaneously they are going to audit your documents, okay, whatever proofs you have submitted, right? So those uploaded documents, okay, proofs, they will check whether they are correct or not, okay? Auditing will be done very quickly this time, okay? Within few days you will be getting that result, okay? Suppose whatever documents you have uploaded, okay, every document is correct, let us assume, then they will be sending you a mail in Outlook like your documents are clear, whatever tax proof documents you have submitted, all are clear, means they are correct, okay? If suppose in any of the document, some of the documents you have uploaded is wrong, okay, they whatever they asked you haven't provided correct proofs, okay, then immediately they will be sending you a mail within few days that stating that whatever document you uploaded is wrong, please upload the correct format, okay, correct document you have to upload, like that they will be sending you a mail, okay? So in that mail you have to cross check, okay? Please be careful here, because they will be sending you mail, okay? So in that mail you have to see what are the documents went wrong, and they will be providing you only 3 days of time, and these 3 days also particularly including the public holidays, okay? Like if any public holiday is there in that middle, you should not think it is not countable, okay? It will be countable. So including public holidays, continuous 3 days, okay, they will be providing 3 days time. So in the 3 days time you have to re-upload the correct documents, okay? So at that time only they will be again validating that, audit that documents and tell you whether it is cleared or not, okay? And suppose if in these 3 days you are failed to upload the document, suppose some people don't have habit of checking Outlook mails, right? If they don't find this rejected mail or re-upload mail, then they forgot to upload within 3 days, then your your proof submissions are cancelled, because you have given enough time, right? So you didn't utilize that, so they can cancel your tax proof submissions then. So be careful guys, keep on checking your mails after your tax proof submission. If it is cleared, you need not worry, but if it is not cleared, then you have to re-upload the documents. So this till here everything is common, okay, for each and every associate it's common. Now let's move to the actual topic, like rent, regarding rent tax proof submission. But before that, a small request from my side guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe and support me. You are supporting me a lot. Please, same this way, you have to support me for a very long time, I hope. And if you have any queries, okay, you can ask me on Instagram. And if you want any videos or documents related to this videos, I will be posting that in the Telegram channel as well. You can subscribe to Telegram channel as well. Okay, now let's move to the rent topic. So as you all know, like as soon as you got the Outlook mail to declare the tax, you would have declared tax this way, right? So for your rent, at first you will be having 12 months, right, from January to December. But basically we will be starting it from April month, right? Because I have started it from April month, because as soon as I got mail, from that time onwards only I started uploading the receipts for that. So from April month to December only we have to upload, because January, February, so these things will be in the next year, right? So those years advance slips we can't upload. Okay, so till January to December only we have to upload. But declaration you can do, okay, if possible you can do declaration, otherwise you can leave, because there will be a future declaration form for the rent receipts where you have to fill that and submit. Okay, you need not upload any rent receipts for the future months. Okay, here I have been declaring for April to December month. Okay, so here my location, okay, is Chennai, and my landlord name, I'm just writing it here. But remember guys, like from April to August you are staying in some place, and from September to December you are staying in another place. Then make sure that you are filling correct details. Okay, suppose here I have split it in order to make you understand this thing. From April to August, okay, I have stayed in some place. Okay, from September to December I have stayed in other place. And please note one important point guys, if you are staying in some any other places, okay, like your hometown is different. Okay, suppose you are staying in Chennai and Accenture office is also in Chennai, okay, that working location should be matched. So if you're staying in some other places, right, so uh, you cannot submit proofs for that, or you cannot declare that rent receipts. Okay, if your working location and your staying location is same, okay, then only you are able to declare rent receipts in tax declarations, and you can submit proofs for that. Okay, please note this point. Here, suppose from April to July, I stayed in one location, okay, in Chennai only. In some other place I have stayed, and my landlord is Ramaswamy for that. And from August to December, I stayed in another place where my landlord is changed. His name is Muthuraman. Okay, so here from April to July, I paid 8,000 only in like two very small room I stayed, let us assume, and its rent amount is 8,000, and I paid owner, landlord, through the cash. Okay, let us assume like that. Now later, okay, from August I moved to some big house, okay, and that rent is 13,000, let us assume. So through UPI I paid, because this landlord is going to, I mean, his permanent address, okay, this landlord address is in Madurai. I cannot go every month and pay, right? So that's why I have chosen the mode of payment as UPI. Okay, here you are getting the points, right? So you have to write these things. You should be declaring like this, how what is the mode of payment you used, and what are the details of the landlord you need to know, and where they are staying also you need to know. Here you have to fill the landlord address as well. And here comes one important thing guys, if the rent amount is greater than 8,300, right, Then you need to enter the PAN details of your owner. Okay, you can speak to your owner and tell them that as I have to do the tax proof submission in my company, I require your PAN details. Okay, you can take his PAN number and declare here. Okay, so with this I hope you are getting the point of, right, like how to do tax declaration for rent. Now let's see for the tax proof submission, guys. In for rent, how we do the tax proof submission. So in general, when we move to the allsec portal and we see like the tax proof submission tab, right, there exist four steps. Okay, the step one is nothing but proof details you have to give. Okay, whatever tax you have declared, for that proof details you have to enter. And second step is nothing but you need to upload proofs for what you have declared. And third one is nothing but whatever you have declared and whatever you have submitted, those all things will be captured in like 12 bb. Okay, 12 bb will be showing you what all you have declared, what all you have submitted. So you need to cross check that and do your signature and upload that 12 bb form. And fourth thing is nothing but submitting it. So with this submission, everything will be finished. Now let's see in detail each step. Okay, the first step is nothing but proof details, right? So once you click this proof details, here whatever you have declared already in tax declaration, that will be displayed in the table. Okay, so in this table I have already declared rent, right? So it is already visible to me. So before that, in the drop down, please select for which section you are going to do that. So it is a rent for me, right? So I'm selecting in the drop down rent. Now you can see here, right, how much amount you have declared, that will be displayed here. So like summing up all my rents of each month, so it is giving me 97,000. So this 97,000, the proofs which I submit also should be same. Okay, the declared amount and the submitted document submitted amount should be same, then only it will be validated, right? Obviously, so you have to submit proofs of what you have declared. Now here you can see add button, right? If you click this add button, you can see several months here, right? So for which month I have declared? From April month. So now from April month only I am going to provide the details of step 1, right? So please click here, edit this edit icon. Now once you click this edit icon, you will be redirected to the specific month. Okay, like for which month you're going to write that month. So this way you might think like only 1 month. No, for every month which you have declared, you have to edit these details. Okay, you have to write the details. Okay, so here, if you can remember our tax declared time, right, April to July, it is 8,000. So I just remember those details, and same thing I am filling it here, that my rental location is Chennai and my rental amount is 8,000. My landlord name is Ramaswamy, and my landlord address is house number 67 Arakonam Road. Okay, and it is Chennai. And after that, my mode of payment is cash, and my rental address, where did I stay, so that address, everything I'm entering, and I'm saving it for April. So similarly, till April to July, you have to, I mean, for suppose I have done. Okay, and similarly from September, oh sorry, from August to December, it is different, right? So same things I'm going to fill it here again. Okay, in step 1 of proof details. So here my landlord name is deferred and my rental amount became 13,000, and my address also changed, my landlord address is also changed. Here my mode of payment is UPI, but I'm entering the PAN details of my landowner because the amount is more than 8,300. So with this I'll be filling like similarly from August to December, everything is completed. So for your clear understanding, here for April to July I filled this way, and from August to December I filled this way. Okay, similarly you also need to fill, right? Okay, from April to December you need to fill each and every edit icon, you need to edit and fill the details. With this we have successfully completed the step 1, which is nothing but proof details. Now let's move to the second option, which is nothing but upload proofs, guys. So once you have finished your step 1, right, then only you are able to see here upload button. Okay, don't panic. So in the step 2 only you can see the upload button. First, suppose if your owner, okay, if your owner is providing you every month rent receipts, so that rent receipt you can upload it here. But the thing is, it should contain a format. Okay, so here in allsec portal under this rent, okay, in this document library or anywhere you can find the rent receipt format, guys. So your owner should maintain that format actually. So if he's not maintaining it, it's like just a rough paper, then you can download it here. Otherwise, if you are unable to find that, in our telegram channel itself I will be posting that rent receipts. You can download that, and you can take printout of all these things. Okay, suppose it is from April to December, right? So then you need to take 9 receipts, Xerox copy. Otherwise, if it is more, then you can take more, like if something goes wrong you can use it for other case, right? So this way you can take, and you can go to your landlord and take his signature and write all the details over there. So guys, this is the format. This way it looks. Actually this overall is one page, but due to view defect, I mean due to insufficient space, I'm showing it this way. So this receipt format contains like receipt sum of rupees. So here you need to write your rent amount. Okay, in numbers you have to write, thereby you have to write in alphabets like 8,000 rupees only, like that. And received from. Okay, so these details actually should be written by your owner. Okay, if suppose he all owners might not be free, right, they will be occupied with some other works. So you can write these details and you can ask him to check all the details are correct or not. Then you can take his signature, and he have to fill his details also, like his PAN details and his address details, if PAN details, because if rent amount is greater than 8,300. Suppose he is staying in some other location, then you can call to him and ask him to give his details, because as part of my company's tax proof submission I require these details, like that. You can send this format to him, he might fill it for you and he will sign it for you. Thereby you can ask him to send that snaps to you, so that you can submit as proofs here. Okay, so this way also you can do. So here I have filled some sample details, guys, if you can see. So this way your owner have to fill these rent receipts and do his signature and write all his address details here. So once you get this proofs, right, you can take printouts or whatever it is, and you need to attach a revenue stamp for it. Revenue stamp you can find it in nearby post office, guys. For 10 rupees you will be getting, I think, 5 revenue stamps. No, for 5 rupees one revenue stamp, I guess. So we'll be getting it. You can stick it nearby signature of your landlord. So guys, this way your rent receipts from April to December, you need to make sure that it is filled and signed by your landlord, and please cross check all the receipts are correct or not. And now here itself there will be a future declaration form, guys. It is for next year, like January, February, March, that you have to future declare that you will be submitting it, like that. There will be a form you need to download, sign it and upload it here. Now if you click on upload button here, so you need to submit all the, you need to upload all the rent receipts whichever I have explained you before, right? So all those rent receipts along with future declaration form also you need to sign and upload it here. So with this your step 2 is successfully completed, guys. Now let's move to the step 3. Step 3 is nothing but 12bb sign form. So this is not only for the rent receipt, so all tax declarations whatever you have done before, so for all those things it will be a summary kind of thing where you can check what all you declared and what all you submitted. So this form 12bb you have to cross check, and then you need to do sign and upload it. Okay, so once you are done with these 3 steps, please cross check whether all the details are correct, like whatever details you have submitted and uploaded, and 12bb everything is perfect. So Now after cross verifying everything, go to the step 4, which is nothing but submit. If you don't submit this, okay, step 4, then the auditing will not begin. Okay, please try to do all the future declaration and form 12bb, everything is correct, then you can click on submit. Once you are submitted, you cannot do any editing, guys. Okay, please do this, and you are left with only till 17th of this December. So please do it as soon as possible, and I hope I clearly explained you everything, guys. So please try to do it as soon as possible. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Whatever queries you can have, you can ask in comment section. Please do subscribe to this channel, guys, and please support me for that. And if you have any queries left, so big queries you need to ask, you can ping me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. Take care.